Come take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the window, power, rear sliding, airbags, head curtain side impact, front outboard seating positions, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 45-36 kilograms, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper manual folding and extension, black, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cooled, driver and front passenger, engine, Duramax 6.6L turbo diesel, B20 diesel compatible, LTZ Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished aluminum, LPO, bed rail protectors, LPO, chrome decal, Z71, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions. For camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD/DVD player and navigation, LPO, all-weather floor mats, LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval in the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.